Howdy everyone, this is Grant Bynum with Uptown 101. This is my channel, Best Houston Apartments. Hey, I'm at the Aspire Post Oak, and I'm about to go into the beautiful pool. This is on the 7th floor with all the amenities that are here. And we've already just seen the courtyard, massive courtyard area. But now we're gonna walk into the pool. This is a really nice fire pit. It's a really pretty waterfall that's there. And then here is the pool. So the pool is here. We're actually going to try to get another shot of this from over here. So let's walk in over here. Looks like that gate was closed. So we'll go in this way. Here's what it looks like. So pretty. Wow, lots of chairs here. You've got this little private area over here. Really cool. And again, just greatest views ever. Feels great on the 7th floor being here. And then here's the actual pool. This is very luxurious. You can see the cabanas that are here. This is so cool. The pool itself is amazing. It stretches out. It's got kind of an infinity feel over there, by the way. So it looks like, it's kind of like it's almost going off. The water's going off into infinity, if you would. It's a super pretty pool. You would enjoy this a lot. You'd really be able to relax, get away from it all. And get some great sun, of course, and be able to relax here with this pool. This is a huge, lovely area. If you have any questions about anything you're seeing here, send me a text. Just use the number below. Hey, we're now about to go check out the fitness center and the lounge. Let's go do that right now.